Hey everyone, I'm Miss Ruby. I'm going to be one of the 7th grade social studies teachers. This is my first year here at Havre de Grace Middle, but this is actually my 9th year teaching 7th grade social studies, so I'm really excited. This year we're going to be learning about ancient civilizations. So we're going to be looking at the time period before there was even writing or language, and then we're going to kind of go into civilization by civilization, looking at Mesopotamia and Egypt, China, India, ancient Greece, ancient Rome, and then we'll kind of come out of the ancient world a little bit and look at the Middle Ages outside of Europe and Africa and South America. So I'm really excited. I think this is probably one of the best history topics to teach because you get to learn about people that aren't the United States. So I'm really excited to teach you guys. A little bit more about me. I'm married to my husband Brian, and we have 2 little girls, Alex, who's 3, and Ellison, who's only 5 months, so she was kind of a born in the pandemic baby. But other than that, if you're going to be mine, you're going to see a lot more and learn a lot more about me on our first couple days of school, so I can't wait to see you guys.